Hello, Simon from Gorilla Apps here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use page and section conditions in your client portal. For those of you who are not aware, we have an app called Client Portal Builder in the Monday Marketplace, which lets you create and manage client portals directly from within monday.com. So let's dive right into it. I already prepared a test setup where we're currently logged in as client A in the client portal. And here we have a section called vendor section, and which contains a headline and a text. And we have a page called vendors page. And now our goal is that only clients who are of the type vendor are allowed to see this page and this section here. So at the moment everyone can see both, and now we will set it up in a way so that just vendors are able to see it. So for this I'm going to head over to the client's main table and add a new column to the board of type status, and here we will rename it to, let's say, category, and we will also change the available options. So let's change this to vendor. Again, vendor, sales, and this one we're going to delete. So this means a client can either be in the category vendor or in the category sales or no category at all. So I'll now first of all pick sales as the category for client A, and now we have to go to the Client Portal Builder board view, and here we'll first head over to this Windows text section, and now here's this section conditions button you can click, and here you can add a new condition, and so here you can pick a column of the client board, in this case category, and we can set it to is equal vendor and save it. And now we're going to head over to the vendors page. And here on the top you also have this conditions button, and here we are also going to add this condition: if category is equal to vendor, then this page should be available in the client portal. So let's publish the portal. Okay. Now let's do a reload, and we see that the page is gone now and the section is also gone, and this is because the client A is currently set to category sales, so it doesn't meet the condition. And if we change it to vendor and then make a reload, it pops up again. So page and section conditions is a way for you to completely modify which client is able to see which pages and which sections. So you can also go ahead, for example, and show one set of pages to one type of client and a completely different set of pages to a different set of clients. And this is what it enables you to do, basically. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. As always, feel free to send us a message if you have any questions. And otherwise, have a nice day. Thank you.